In this video series, we're going to learn Python. So Python is one of the most widely used programming languages in the programming industries. So it's a general purpose and powerful programming language with a large ranging of applications like from web development to data science. For the time being, we are learning Python, so there are a few things we should take care of it is that unlike other languages like SQL, Python is case sensitive. For example, let's say we have two variables with the same name. One is with capital letter and one is the small letter. So that means that these two variables are completely two different things in Python. And next is, since Python is not very heavy in code syntax like other languages, so mostly it relies on spacing. Like notice this function which relies mostly in the later spacing in its syntax, which is a little bit confusing at first, but it is really nice and clean when we get familiar with it. For the time being, we are learning programming language, so there are times that we'll get errors, and it doesn't mean that we are bad programmer, and it's just the computer that telling us it doesn't get that. So we can get help from the error messages to learn how to instruct the computer to get our point. So let's get started with Python.